The Universal Windows Direct Guide to Operating Your Windows. Sliding glass door. Our sliding glass doors are made of the highest quality materials and are designed to be simple to operate. When opening the sliding glass door, make sure the locking mechanism is in the unlocked position. Use the handle to slide the door open. Our sliding glass doors also feature a footlock for added security. Simply push the top button to engage to lock. To unlock, push the side button to disengage the footlock. If your sliding glass door includes a screen, you can open it by grasping the handle and sliding the screen open. Be sure to keep the slide track clear of debris to allow for smooth opening and closing. Be sure to check out our other videos for tips on how to operate, clean, and maintain your Windows from Universal Windows Direct. If you have any other questions about your replacement Windows from Universal Windows Direct, please give us a call at 800-984-5846 or visit universalwindowsdirect.com.